So tell me, how's everything?
I'm fine, Mike.
Oh, before anything, what am I going to offer you?
Water.
Oh, come on, pour in that water, come on.
Like water.
Okay, no problem. Julie! Say, get me a glass of water at Harvard's. Are you not seeing her?
Okay. I cannot there as a girl. Don't worry, man, not say to your papa.
Are you crazy? What are you saying?
It's okay. I understand her.
What do you mean by that? You telling me I don't have water in this house?
Don't worry, Mike. Judith.
Wait, just come on, just wait. What are you trying to do? This house is big.
Yeah, this 5,000 euros. So you get me a bottle of water. You keep the change for yourself. I want to in the restaurant. What like
just go and get her water to drink.
I want to in the restaurant now.
Go and get her water to drink.
I know. Get me water and keep the change. Okay, madam, come on, please.
That you know.
Madam, drink this one first. You don't have to worry, okay? Just keep the money. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Madam. As a big cook, what's your way? It's my cook for you. I know you're a good cook, but I don't need it now. If I need it, I will tell you. Thank you, madam.
Hey, come back here. Julie! So when there's money, there is water. Huh? And no money, no water.
Oga and you madam they do for inside. Also if madam come wetin will come happen?
Waiting it. No, waiting it. Not be here like that. You can't get this. The new mother don't come to collect her position. Take not.
Since when I know you are back, and today will be the first day when I hear you they talk better thing for this house.
Have you?
Yes. Now waiting na to get to talk with them. Waiting small mother they do, it not good though.
See what people. You see that life? Now so now they take the rig election for this country. Now collect money from politicians, chop up when you reach the date of vote, you press another place. You don't collect money from new madam now, chop and finish. The day here they condemn them.
Now which money be that?
Swear say new madam no give any money. Swear say no collect anything from her.
I waiting I get to talk with that. I want to say my 2 days and then they go tell my
Make by yes, swear, come swear if you no go die this afternoon.
No collect money finish, come here. This thing what God is doing.
I believe we'll talk about that good.
What of it madam come now? What did you say will happen?
Have I not warned you several times to stop coming to this office? Don't you know that our new chairman does not allow people coming to visit us? What is it? What is the problem?
Auntie, it's our lecture again. Just introduced new handout to us this afternoon, and he said anyone without handout cannot write anything, as in cannot even take the test. So I have to come with you.
So how much is it?
Just 2,000 naira.
If I come home, I'll discuss. Thank you.
Who be that? Who you be? They take I see gates. They take I see big house. I say you know I dey beg, you find you beg. Is that what it? Ha you? I don't know say you. I think all these people when they beg up. You don't tell me say you come now. Hey, Abba. I don't know say you they come. I say now. You know say all these people they didn't think I see big house. They tell me see bigger than big gate. They call it enough. Why don't tell me say they come now?
Are you?
Come they sauce me. Hi there. Hi everybody for us.
I'm fine.
You fine? Why you no come tell me say you dey call me? Just run the call like that. I don't know say you dey call me.
They call your number but you know they go. Don't forget everybody for village.
Oh,
just they leave.
Sorry, no vex. My phone fall inside well. My phone fall inside well. And you get that things dey in our house now. Power don't change house. You understand? Our own madam dey. Our madam dey. That's why I come be like say everything come dey somehow. You understand? So, what you come? What you bring you come? What happen?
Brother, no go understand.
What happened now?
I'm talking to you now. Nothing there for house. You don't sit there, but I see the house.
Okay. Your school don't go the exam with them. You say what?
You think join? All of them make me come. The exam don't start 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira. That's more money and you big somehow. See, nothing they know. See, say this madam comes. Things have changed. Only madam will come back to us. So now next week, now they expect something. So go ahead. Next week you come. I'll give you money.
Go this week. Now they go here.
Oh, Shay, your pop don't. I think my dad they try to come up for this company. Say no, you know we can get any person. Today now you they carry out the small girl in the street they enter abi. Now who be this one? What will they do with them?
You don't know my sister. You say we do this one big.
Sister now you can't be because I see her. I tell you say one day your couple for this house. Other go here this.
You go now. Tell her now. What you do? You will be saying you madam. Tell her I go see open your own yash. You madam, you not give me money. See this idiot too. Not the cook they will go for. She knows sabi cook. Got nothing food now they cook. Now they tell you so. Now the cook will go for house. Now it is. You know sabi cook. The blessing now you come to cook for. Nothing in food. All the sour. She knows sabi cook. I mean, the person the first every time. Come on, Nigerian. See, you do next week.
Huh?
Next week now, I will give you the money now.
Okay.
Eh?
Transport money
For
going village now.
where?
For my fly they go.
What this is what they talk. You need to hear.
Ah, but I give me transport too. Give me transport.
Nothing. You need to hear that they tell you. Why you need to understand something? I tell you, they never give us anything. They never pay salary. Eh?
You say money no day.
Let me tell you, make it come this week. But they never give us anything. We never see anything collect.
What do you want to do?
You go come down small. Maybe you will come maybe next week again.
Ah? Brother? Next weekend. Today I start today. On Monday we start the exam. You say I come next week. Brother? Okay.
Where they go?
They come. But I know they go anywhere if you not give me money.
You go sit down for here until I give you the money. Then go use this slave for here.
I like that one.
I know say Madam. No. Nothing.
Good afternoon.
Who is she?
Ngo. I'm my sister now.
Oh, your
She
sister.
come from village. Come see me. Nah, my madam is this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, what's the problem?
Now my mama waiting for village. Wait to say my mama know well. So now we can.
Auntie, oh my na. I can't collect my exam fee.
Your exam.
Yes, ma.
And Uche is not giving you.
I tell her say I go soon give her now. You say.
So, how much is it?
Nah,
3,000 naira.
Just 3,000 naira.
Yes, ma.
Uche cannot provide you with 3,000 naira. Okay, just give me a minute, alright?
Okay, ma.
Go tell him better money. Call him better money. He go give you. You know this man get money. Call better money. Get the 3,000. We go nyara.
What's not to now? I go get you. What's not?
It's 3,000.
Hey.
Take this 1,000 naira for
Okay.
your pocket.
Thank you, ma.
No problem.
Thank you.
Uche, when you're through, you see me.
Okay, no problem, ma. Thank you, madam. You see, you should not ever tell me. As I said, so in ATM machine, she dey give chawai. You don't tell you. You go to come better money she go give you.
Na no, madam. You do anga.
That one. That one no dey travel.
Where that one take? This one. Na you go reach now, madam.
Where that one dey?
I'm like that. They come every weekend. Why can't they?
You come here.
Every weekend.
Come dey do wetin?
I can't they walk.
May our ancestors see your anus.
But why now?
Go. Come on. Come on, let's just come and do it.
But they never shoot me.
Tell mama say I go see her later. Oh yeah, go.
But
Go. Come and get her.
but I'm not greet them.
No greet am. I go greet am on behalf of you. Go. Go. Come here. Come dey. Better run. What is your collect better money?
Uche, sir, did it? I called you both to warn you because to be forewarned is to be forearmed. But before that, don't worry.
Welcome. Madam.
Oh yeah, bring it.
Madam, welcome.
I don't know which side to hold for this.
Don't
worry, I will do. Don't worry. No. Sorry. Just not go hold wrong side.
Madam, welcome.
Yeah, how have you guys been?
Madam, we're doing fine.
Where's Judith?
She's inside. She's inside.
Maybe.
Oh,
where did it? Did it?
What play? Let's go. Now I've missed you.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll bring the bags and come inside.
So, madam, you're welcome.
Thank you, doctor.
How is it? Mr. Mike.
Dr. Alpha.
Well, congratulations, Mr. Mike. Your wife just gave birth to bouncing baby boy.
Wow. Thank God. Thank you very much, doctor.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Doctor, can I see her?
Yeah, sure. Nurse, please come and take him to labor.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Okay.
Wow, thank you. Wow, honey.
Hi, honey. Honey, welcome back.
We have missed you.
Oh, missed you too.
We have missed you.
I've missed you too.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is Junior?
Junior is upstairs sleeping. Honey, why don't you sit? No, you must be tired.
Junior.
Junior is upstairs sleeping.
You didn't beat my baby.
I did not. And even if I did, what would you do?
What? I would do a lot.
Oh, Papa Junior.
Oh, that is me.
Honey, how's work today?
Oh, we thank God. We thank God. Oh, baby. I bought some apple for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hope you like it.
Nice of you, yeah.
That's my love. Let me call Judith to wash the apple for you.
Alright, okay.
Judith! Judith!
Okay.
Come on, Trace. You want to stay? Give me the apple to give her. Go in there, wash the apple. Take! Bring it back, fast! Look at her. Thank you very much. So, how are you? You missed the house in office, missing you a lot. How are you doing? Dear, believe me, I don't know what to do again. I mean, I'm confused. Seriously.
How come?
I don't know.
How come, Mike? You said she ate the apple.
Just now.
So?
She ate it. I was even the one that fed her myself. So I can be sure of her eating it. So I don't know what is wrong.
Are you saying she's not a spirit?
I don't know as I'm talking to you right now.
That means we have to be very smart and act fast too before it's too late.
Tell me, what are we going to do? Or you have a plan?
Wait a minute.
What?
Have you called Jude to
Hi, honey. How are you? Are you on your way back? Okay, honey. Just take care of yourself, okay? Alright, bye. Love you.
Onojie. Doctor, what? Just go straight to the point. What happened? Tell me, doctor. Doctor, don't tell me you lost my wife. Doctor, where's my wife? Doctor.
I know why I called you.
I went in the hospital this morning, and you can't believe what the doctor just told me. The man said I should go to my family to clear issues with them so I can have my wife comes. Dude, seriously, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm confused. I'm not myself. Believe me.
See, is that the only reason you called me out here?
Oh, you mean what I'm talking about here doesn't make sense?
See, you don't know that they've done you a great favor.
Great favor? How?
They've done you a great favor of preparing for burial, wakekeeping, and every other thing.
Come on, Jude. Do you know the person we're talking about here is my wife?
So?
Still, why is it that you don't always act like a man? This was the same issue way back in school. You always panting, always fidgeting like Elisa. I don't just like it. Come on, be a man and stop shivering. I want to say this. So you said I should just forget about the matter, right?
Yes, feel free, relax your mind. Stop shaking. See where you see, we're living in a big house. Everything is at all big and good. So why are you always afraid? Come on, man. Be a man, baby.
You know, if that be the case, no problem. I'll see to it. Okay, let me just go and dress up so we'll go out.
If you want, you can persist and start dancing like Lisa. Give me a drink.
I'll be back shortly.
Florence.
Judith.
Okay.
I know both of you will be surprised why I paid you both your 3 months salary yesterday. God. You see, I don't want both of you to be working with me again. Is that okay by you? And I know both of you will be asking of Akpan, my driver. Good. I sacked him. I've already paid him off. So he's no more working with me.
Okay, what's up?
Is it go back at him?
Okay, back now waiting now to work. My foot not as sweet again. You want to make up for my courage.
Listen, Judith.
Okay.
Stella, good afternoon, my dear. In this hot sun, hey, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, my dear. Sit down, my dear. Afternoon, my dear. How are you? Oh, you are, well, are you okay?
Mama, a little. I'm not feeling fine at all. And that's why I'm here.
Okay, my dear.
Mama, I went to our family doctor and he says 6 weeks gone.
Which one is gone? Gone in malaria or gone in what? Gone.
Mama, I am pregnant.
Hey! Hey! Stella! You're pregnant! Oh, God be bless you! God be bless you! Hey! 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 Come and sit down here. Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Stella. Stella, please don't let anything happen to this baby here.
No, not to
This is my grandchild though. He or she. Biko.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy, for accepting us.
Oh, why not? Or am I too young to be a grandmother?
No.
And secondly, if you are tired of staying in your place, come to my place and stay. There's generator, there's everything, water. Come and stay in my place.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
God bless you, my dear.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Let me sit.
Sit down there. Sit down there. Hey! Thank you, my dear. What do I offer you? What do I give you? You will stay here till the sun goes down because the sun is too much. What do I give you? Let's see. Let's see. You want my stuff?
Anything from you.
Later we go to the house and go and prepare food for you. You're very happy.
Hello. Oh yes, this is Dr. Lee. Vivian, yes, is she okay? Oh, thank you very much. Thank God. Oh, doctor, I'm very, very happy. Thank you, I'm grateful. Oh yes, I'm the family doctor. Oh yes, I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, I'll just call the family at once. Alright. Okay. What happened? Huh? Okay, was successful. That okay, yeah, I know. Thank you. I trust you guys. Thank you. Okay, bye. Pastor Wilson. Oh yes, I have good news. The operation was successful. Yes, I just got the call now.
Hello, Jude. Mike, why are you not paying off my balance? What's your problem, for God's sake? Eh?
Jude, just calm down, alright? Just calm down for me, alright? I will pay you.
Listen, don't tell him to calm down. Don't tell him to calm down. Listen, we pay up my balance or you see the other side of me. Did you get that?
Okay, no problem. I will try.
Can you hear yourself? You will try and do that. Listen, Mike, I'm giving you next 2 hours to pay this money. Alright? You're going to regret knowing me.
Mike.
Okay.
Fine, better do. All right.
Gateman.
Hey, can I tell you?
Hey.
What's the man?
Can't wait till they happen now. So be shy my boy now.
See, I know too strong. After it's day night club, I just did somehow. So I was like, I just did down with water.
Everyday clubbing thing, guy. You don't kill yourself.
Okay, now that is for now.
That's so good. Brother, see, even when I even hear that story, me myself, I never been myself since that day.
What story?
I heard that Vivian is not there. And what baffles me more and the most painful part of it that she's shot to death.
Wow. This that one an old story now. Wait time for many months ago. Why did she talk about? That one a forgotten issue now. Hey.
What do you mean by old story?
Yes. Mike is marrying Stella.
Stella?
Yes, now.
You mean the tall Stella?
Stella and Vivian roommate now. The girl will all school together.
Yeah, what is happening? Yeah, what is happening? Tell me, what's happening?
Anyway, you know daytime. Maybe run around and make you know here. Anyway, that's by the way, Sha. The reason I called you, I want to please help me talk to Mike to pay me my balance. Me and Mike run business. Make Mike give my balance. It's an issue now for many months.
Jude,
what is it?
What's wrong with you? When did you lose your human sympathy?
Human?
We are talking about brothers here. We are talking about brother that lost his wife. We are talking about money.
Hey, stop it. What do you know about human sympathy? See, if you know what's involved in this issue now, you shouldn't be talking about human sympathy. Just get it.
What is happening?
Sorry, I phone you ring. Oh, talk of the devil. Mike. Excuse me.
Man.
Hello? Hey, guy. What's up? Okay. Alright. For your please. I come now. My balance sheet. Hey, now you're talking. Alright. That's my guy. Hey, what you talking about? That's my guy, man.
So, yeah, you're not smiling.
Relax. You see my money for your house, so I got to run now.
Yeah, okay, you want to leave the table now? No.
Traditional. Baba. You don't have any understand. Baba, bring shine of my guy.
So, Jude, you like money seriously?
See, you talk like you say you gonna like money. No money make us do what we do last time.
Oh yes, it's true. But Jude, believe me, the way you talked to me last time, I don't like it.
Hey, you're complaining. Well, if you're complaining, you cost it. Because assuming you've paid my money before then, that is what people have come to you.
That's by the way.
So take.
Here's the balance of your money.
First, sorry it's too light, but it's too light.
Do you have a check in there?
Check.
Oh yeah.
Maybe check the bounce.
Come on, Jude, you don't trust me anymore.
Anyway,
huh?
I believe you, bro. Yeah? You know now, Money makes work go round, man. That's my guy. Oh, man.
So you can drink now, right?
Yeah, but you know, last night I went clubbing, so I prefer a glass of water. Yeah?
Okay. Honey! Stella! Please get me a glass of water. Do this here. Let me get some. Honey! Oh, yeah, she comes.
Jude, longest time.
Longest time is Stella, baby. What's up with you?
I'm fine, though. And you?
Okay, you're looking special. Hey, what is trying to Hey,
So if I didn't come outside, I wouldn't have known you around.
Come on, baby. You know I will normally come and say hello for you.
Okay. Just enjoy yourself, huh?
Alright.
Oh, it's okay.
I will enjoy you. Bye. I'm in flavor in that. Oh boy. So, business is doing well. Thank God everything is good.
Jude, you're here too? Yeah, good day, Mr. Mike.
This way you're here, I hope no problem.
Oh, not at all. Just that the family of your friend wife here wants to come and settle some issue so that they can discharge your wife's off from the hospital.
Hello. What is she talking about? Just calm down, eh? Let's hear from them first. Okay, no problem. So where are you?
Yeah, outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Outside the gate, sir?
That's right.
Let them in.
Let's go. Mr. Mike, you think you're a smart man. You remember I made a promise that whoever is involved in this calamity will not go scot-free.
Yes, Dad is it. But Vivian here is dead.
Yes!
How come she's
dead?
Again?
It might interest you to know that Vivian was never dead. By the way, I'm Inspector Paul of the state CID.
What?
Happened? Inspector Paul. How come? When did you become an inspector?
The way of the world. The first time you made an attempt on your wife's life was when you poisoned a couple of apples with the sole intention of having her eat them and, of course, losing her life in the process. But I'm sure you must have been surprised that, yes, she did eat the apples, but nothing happened to her. Or were you not?
Oh, you say we got come always at
There's some people who bring the apple for car. I don't trust those people. The kind of people they see them, no one understand. I know only for catch up that apple. Because I know so what you eat the finish and go me. I don't want the apple for. Then I need to go buy this one now. So that when they say they go wash out, this one I need to go wash. Those ones they go inside those ones, I beg.
I wish I can't be this one. I don't understand. Which one go believe
now?
now?
I told this kind of thing before. Now God life with the dog. I better not do mistake. Just those ones who should wear. So I'm not trouble. You hear?
Look, I'm not putting for trouble.
No. Don't do mistake, oh.
Yes. The second time was when you were practically celebrating that your plans had sailed through.
They plan to kill that woman.
Eh?
That is the final conclusion.
They don't talk any other thing.
They don't talk anything.
Okay, no wala, eh? I'll get back to you, yeah? Wait, huh?
Now, you did be fast.
Uche, Judith, what's going on here? Mother, don't worry. Just be yourself, okay?
So just relax yourself, ma. We are trying to save your life here. Understand? But what you just need to do is this. Just pretend as if you're sleeping. Alright?
Yes, sir.
All will be fine. Okay? Judith, you're done, right?
Yes, I'm done.
Let's go. Alright?
I know you will be very surprised, but I want you to believe that with God, everything is going to be fine, okay?
Miss Vivian, I want you to do us a favor.
What favor? If it's for my safety, why not?
Oh yes, it is for your safety. You see, what will happen is, I'm going to move you out of this hospital to my house, where I'll be able to monitor you personally and make sure nobody will be able to trace you, okay?
That is it.
Oh, my friend. Dr. Fred. Yeah. It's been a very, very long time. Hectic day, bro. But you didn't bother checking on me.
Sorry, my friend. I've been busy all this while. I have a patient that lost his leg in the motor accident. Yeah, and the parents say they don't want to amputate the leg. So I'm working on it.
Okay, so what did you now do?
Well, I have a friend in India. So the guy deals on that.
So how's the patient feeling now?
I thank God he's working well.
That's very lovely.
Yeah. Wow. This one you keep asking me of these guys. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just that I have a similar case at hand.
Whoa. Are they ready to spend the money?
Dr. Fred, I believe they.
Then bring it on. Yeah, bring it on.
Okay, let me just make the call.
Yeah.
I believe you will be fine. As your name flow like your friends, you will
sure be fine after the operation.
Vivian, it's okay. You will be fine. Nobody's happy with the condition you are now. What we need to do is to keep praying for a successful operation abroad. Okay, please. Please stop. Please be fine.
Doctor, are you sure I'll be able to walk again?
Oh, my dear, you will be fine. You will walk again. Trust me on this, okay? It's okay, stop crying. You're alright, it's okay. So I'll just write down some drugs so you can.
It's okay, doctor. It's okay, Vivian. You'll be alright, okay?
I'll just
And then the baby. The baby is not yours.
How?
We all planned it.
Oh yes, come in. Barrister Wilson.
Doctor.
Good afternoon, doctor.
How are you?
Good afternoon, doctor.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Very fine.
Yeah, thank you. So, yeah, doctor, we deemed it fit to come and see you this afternoon. You see, I've been thinking lately of what has been happening in the person's family. And I keep saying the same thing. I don't just trust this guy.
Barrister Wilson, what are you saying? This is my husband we're talking about.
Yes, I know.
See, Vivian, calm down. See, I understand the both of you clearly, okay? But if you ask for my candid advice, I'll say you put this guy on the game and maybe he won't.
Game?
Yes, game.
So, how are we going to go about it?
Fine. You see, I have made arrangements to get 3 police detectives to be working with you in your house and also to monitor your husband's movements.
For what?
For us to find out the truth. And I also want to set up a plan with you as to you're pregnant.
Go on.
And yeah, as to you're pregnant. So we could find out the truth also.
And what makes you think that he wouldn't know that I'm not pregnant?
Oh, leave that to me, it's my job.
Please, all we need is just your cooperation.
Okay. And when it's time to deliver the baby, where do I get the baby from?
Well, adopt one, of course.
Adopt?
Jude! What happened to him?
It was because of everything. When we are about to
shot Chief Benson, my client?
Yes.
And also Miss Vivian? You shot her?
He was the one. Yes.
Oh my God. I'm confused.
So what happened to him? He was asking for his outstanding payment and planned to kill me too. So I and Stella planned to kill him first. You poisoned him? Yes, we did.
Doctor, he's reaping from what he has sown. And as for you, Stella, or whatever you call yourself, you are nothing but a wicked and a ruthless betrayer. But you know what? I'm not going to say much. I'll leave you to God to judge you.
I'm sorry.
Jude.
I swear.
Thank you, Inspector Paul, for saving my life.
Oh well, you really do not have to say that. As law enforcement agents, our duties is to rid the society of crime, criminals like this. So,
Doctor,
you are under arrest.
Jude,
Madam, you too.
Jude,
This way. Do not try anything funny because your house is surrounded.
Jude. Now you headed up.
And all the things you mean to me. When I find myself believing there's no place to go, when I feel the loneliness inside my heart, you're the answer to my prayer, and you're with me everywhere. You're my You're my angel. All I need tonight. You're my angel. You're the answer to my prayer, and you're with me everywhere. You're my angel, miracle. You're all I need tonight. Give me shelter.